Hi everybody, this is Sharia with Anchors Away Vacation, and today I'm going to give you 5 helpful packing tips for going on a cruise. So let's get started. My first helpful packing tip would be your luggage. So I recommend a Hardcase suitcase, and I recommend that it be the 360 wheels. This makes traveling a lot easier, especially if you're going to the UK or Europe, because you're going to be going over a lot of bricks and railways and uneven ground that will make it a lot easier from you having to pull your luggage to you being able to just walk with it. So I definitely recommend that you have a sturdy suitcase, because that will definitely help. And the hard case I prefer because if you will be traveling on any trains during your vacation, it helps your luggage not to be smashed with other luggage while you're on the train. Along with luggage, I always bring a handy reusable bag. So one, I bring it empty and I wrap it up and put it into my suitcase. That way, when I go to leave and come home for our vacation, you can use it to put any extra goodies that you bought or anything that doesn't fit into your luggage when you go home. Sometimes you buy awkward shaped things or things that might be in boxes, so it's very helpful to be able to pack your luggage and have room for everything in your suitcase. So I usually pack any boxes, catalogs, food that you might need in the airport or on your way to the airport in that bag, and then I make sure that it can fit on top of the suitcase so that you can just grab and go when you go to disembark your cruise ship. So that makes traveling a lot easier depending on your luggage. And then the last part of luggage that I recommend is when you pick a backpack, I would choose one that has a lot of room but is also pretty compact to be able to take with you on the cruise ships and carry on and off. And then make sure that it has several pockets. If you take your backpack with you to go on an excursion, it's really helpful to be able to have front pockets that you can put your camera in, or cords that you need, or anything small that you're going to be traveling with if you're going to be taking your backpack. So that's luggage. The next thing that I recommend that you take with you on a cruise, I would buy these little pouches. When you get onto the cruise ship, the first thing that they're going to give you is your boarding card. And you have to have this to get on or off the ship at all times. So when you come back from an excursion and you're going to get back on the ship, it's much easier to have your ID right on you than having to search for it in your backpack or a fanny pack or anything like that. So you can buy these little pouches, and then you can buy special attachments to make it more unique to you. So you could buy a little keychain so that you can just hook it to you and it's on you at all times, or you can buy the little stretchy one because they will ask for the card. They scan it and they give it back to you. So if it's on the little cord, you can give it to them very easily. Or you can just get a little lanyard. I have a little necklace lanyard. Or my son, he likes the character one. So he's got a Pokemon one. And for his, we didn't even get the pouch. We just hole punched and attached the card. You just have to make sure it's not on the barcode that they have to scan for you to get back on the ship. So be creative with that and get one that is special to you and makes it a lot funner. The next thing you should always bring with you when you go to pack are these little Velcro straps. These have so many uses. when you go on the cruise, to just wrapping and keeping things organized. And then also when you go to pack for your cruise, you can wrap all of your cords and have them ready to go and easy to pack so that you know where they are and they're all wrapped for you. And then the next thing is luggage tags. So anytime you go on a cruise, they're going to give you with your last paperwork your luggage tags, and this is so that they know what room to put your luggage at when you get onto the ship. And they give you these ridiculous instructions for you to just keep it as paper and then wrap it around your suitcase and then you staple it. But I live in Seattle where it rains a lot, so I don't want to just leave it to fate. So I buy these little luggage tag pouches. You can get them on Amazon, but I'll put the link below so that you know where to get them. They usually come in a pack of 4 or 5, so there's enough for the whole family. And you want to purchase them based on the company. So Royal Caribbean's is a little bit smaller. This is Norwegian's. So you want to make sure that you get the correct size for what brand of ship that you are sailing with. And then the last thing is your health. So I wasn't aware that I was seasick or that I got seasick until my first cruise, and we had a rough sea day, and man, I regretted it. So I definitely recommend getting some sea bands. They're super simple to wear, and you just put them on your wrist and it hits a pressure point and just helps equal out your equilibrium. And they're great. They have really helped me, and I don't get seasick like I did the first time around. And then also you can get the non-drowsy natural ginger Dramamine. That's what I would recommend. I'm very sensitive to medication, and that doesn't make me sleepy or tired or give me any side effects that will make it harder to enjoy my vacation. So those are the things that I recommend for you. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I've included the links to most of these items below so that you can shop for those and be ready for your next vacation. If you need help planning your vacation, I'm here to help at Anchors Away Vacation, and you can comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.